KENTEN structure, wonderful outdoor. KENTEN Events Group has been established for more than 20 years. It's one of the top 10 tent structure supplier and a powerful temporary and semi-permanent tent manufacturer. Provided customers with integrated solutions, aluminum alloy structure, tension membrane structures, temporary facilities for sports event, exhibition activities, etc. Customized tents of various specifications to meet customer needs. Our factory has 50,000 square meters area, located in National High-Tech Zone, Guangdong Province. Standardized management, advanced production equipment, and advanced aluminum alloy modular housing production line. With advanced aluminum and fabric CNC cutting machine, automatic drilling, milling, welding machine. As the first and largest tent manufacturer in China, KENTEN products have been exported to cover 5 continents around the world. That's KENTEN production travels all over the country and all over the world. KENTEN are specialized in various designs and shapes: structure tents, curved tents, double-decker tents, igloo tents, polygon tents, dome tents, hotel tents, which meet requirements in events, warehouse, exhibition, and sports. Production is strictly in accordance with international safety standards, using hard-pressed extruded aluminum alloy and tense PVC covers. Excellent casting technology, high-quality material. The tense PVC covers fully meet the flame retardant standards of B1 China. KENTEN has a high-quality management team, an elite R&D team, and skilled workers. KENTEN family injects more fresh energy into the sustainable development of the company. Since its establishment, KENTEN has continuously created successful cases one by one. As supplier for the 2022 Beijing Winter Olympic Games, 2008 Beijing Olympic Games, Guangzhou Asian Games, F1 World Motorboat Grand Prix, Guangzhou International Food Festival, previous KENTEN fairs, festivals and exhibitions, KENTEN Fair and Guangzhou Spring Festival Flower Market project for the Guangdong Railway Group more than 10 years. We have personalized the solutions and considerate services for customers. Possessing general contracting for construction engineering, mechanical and electrical engineering, decoration, steel structure waterproof and anti-corrosion, environmental protection, China Exhibition Hall engineering and other strength qualifications, structural certification of developed countries such as the United States and Canada. Full implementation of ISO quality and environmental management system. As a national high-tech enterprise, we have nearly 50 utility model patents. Inheriting excellence and creating the future together. KENTEN family constantly introduces new technologies, develops new products, bring advanced technology and product ideas to customers, and create value for customers. KENTEN produced superior quality.